3 more AI tools paying people in 2025. Work from home with AI. No skills needed. Still looking for real AI tools that actually pay you? Here are 3 more platforms people are using to earn money online in 2025, all from home. Tool number 1. Remotasks. Get paid to train AI. A platform that pays you to label images, videos, and text to help train AI systems. You can earn from $5 to $100 weekly, depending on your skill level. They even offer free training, so you can start earning faster. Tool number 2. Playbook, a creative cloud platform that now pays users who share AI-generated design assets and templates. You can upload your AI art, infographics, or Canva-style templates and earn when others download or use them. Perfect for creatives using AI design tools like Leonardo or Midjourney. Tool number 3. ChatGPT Store. Build and monetize your GPT. If you create a helpful GPT, like an AI assistant for resumes, fitness, or study, people can find and use it, and you earn money based on usage. Some creators are already earning hundreds of dollars a month just by publishing useful GPTs. Remotasks. Train AI. Playbook. Sell AI designs. ChatGPT Store. Monetize your GPTs. Which AI tool will you try first? So that's 3 more AI tools paying people in 2025. Remotasks. Help AI learn. Playbook. Sell AI assets. ChatGPT Store. Create and earn from GPTs. If you want part 3 with even more paying tools, hit like, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and comment, I income, below. Which AI tool will you try first?